Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with something that I haven't done in a while, but is always a fan favorite, and I'm here with a Stitch Fix unboxing. So if you guys want to see what my stylist Caitlin picked for me in this fix, then keep on watching. When I stopped doing everything on my channel, one of the subscriptions that I was still getting was actually Stitch Fixes. And I had posted a try-on that I did on my Instagram story, which if you're not following me on Instagram, hit me up down here. I did a try-on and I missed doing the videos. But for me, Stitch Fix was just becoming a little bit too expensive. I love Stitch Fix. I highly recommend it to everyone. As a matter of fact, my boyfriend does Stitch Fix. I have friends that do Stitch Fix who have actually used my stylist. So Caitlin, you're welcome for that. I canceled my subscription, I want to say around Christmas time. I know that I had a fix in November because I got this bodysuit in there, so sorry that I didn't post any content then. Instead of canceling my subscription, I just more or less kept suspending when I wanted to receive it fixed. Well, I had suspended it for so long that they had sent me a free styling credit, and I said, you know what the heck? I am locked up in the house in quarantine, even though I got nowhere to go. And I love receiving packages, which is why I've been doing a ton of online shopping while in quarantine. Wasn't really going to be missing out on anything. It was, the styling credit was waived for me, and I said sure. And of course I had my stylist Caitlin pick out this fix for me, and girl, you knocked it out of the park. I miss interacting with her, and even though her and I are still friendly, it was just really cool to see how personalized it was because this girl knows my style so dang well. Instead of me sitting here rambling, let's go ahead and open this fix up. Now this is my 30-second fix, which is insane to me because I remember when I first signed up for this service that I received through the Skim, and just like thinking that it was kind of a cool concept, didn't really know how it worked, and here I am 32 fixes later. Everything inside this box subtotaled for $226, but because I did not have the styling credit fee, that is excluded because it was waived, but the buy all discount of 25% off brought everything down to $169.50. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump over to the try-on. Hey all you cool cats and kittens. I just needed one. I just needed to do one. That's all I needed. These are the 151 Marjorie printed wide leg pant. I'm in a size extra large and these retail for $38. There have been very few items in my Stitch Fixes that I've received over the 32 Stitch Fixes that I've done that I have been hands down obsessed with. One of which is the bodysuit that I'm currently wearing with these pants and these pants. These are definitely much more wide leg than I would normally wear for myself. I'm somebody who wears things very fitted and tailored, but these, I am living a safari fantasy in these pants. I am completely obsessed with them. And Caitlin did tell me I would be obsessed with these pants too, which is why she put them in this fix. They are a very lightweight linen-y material, which means they'll be great for spring and summer. I am obsessed with the color of them because it's a fun spin on leopard and cheetah print. Admittedly, they looked a little bit different in the actual card that they sent, but to be honest, I think I love them more. I currently have it paired with a pair of Allbird black flats just because like I haven't pulled out my sandals yet for spring and summer, and the sandals that I did have didn't exactly go with this outfit. I think that I would prefer something that was more open-toed and something that gave me a little bit of height just because the pants are a little bit long and they're sitting really high on my body. My belly button is about here, so we know how much I love high-waisted things, and these just like, they just feel awesome. Even though they are super billowy and super lax in fit, I'm not gonna lie, they do a little something for the booty game here. I can see myself wearing these well beyond spring and summer because they are just a fun, bold piece. They are something that I don't normally would see myself in, but Caitlin does have a really good habit of pulling me out of my comfort zone, and she knocked it out of the park with these pants. Is the Kaylee Samara cross front knit top. I'm in a size large and this retails for $34. I'm like 99% sure that I have this exact same shirt but in a different color that I got in a previous fix. I'll be sure to card it up here if that is actually true. I currently have this top paired with a pair of white ripped jeans from American Eagle along with my black Chucks. And this is something that I probably wouldn't pick only for the fact of the pattern on the shirt and also the material of the shirt. I have other shirts that are very similar to this material. I can't describe the material and it's going to drive me insane, but if I say blouse, I think you kind of know what I'm saying. It is a fun flirty shirt. I really do like the fit and the cut of it because I already own it in a different color, and I do wear that one a little bit. I do wear it quite frequently for just a casual day. It's still a really great versatile shirt because you can dress it down with this, and then Caitlin also suggested maybe pairing it with like a patterned skirt and like a pair of wedges. For me, I just don't think I would clash pattern with pattern, but I just haven't stepped out of that comfort zone yet. This is the Kaylee Delaney crop knit jumpsuit. I'm in a size extra large and this retails for $58. This is a moment I'm kicking myself because I stopped filming my Stitch Fixes last year around the same time that I discovered my love and obsession for jumpsuits. Caitlin had sent me one last year that if you followed me on Instagram or Snapchat or any of those things, I was high-key obsessed with. I currently have the jumpsuit paired with a very lightweight kimono that Caitlin had sent me in a previous fix, as well as a pair of tan-ish woven leather mules from Target that I recently picked up. This is exactly what I was aiming for when I told Caitlin that I wanted pieces that I could wear at home that didn't make me feel frumpy or sad because I was in quarantine. Rather, get me excited for wanting to work at home. This is definitely everything that I had envisioned. I am obsessed with the color of this jumpsuit because orange is something that is not really that good of a color on me just because I am so fair toned. But this one I'm obsessed with because it's not really like an orangey color. So in the style card, Caitlin suggested wearing it with a couple of different kimonos that I have. I think she was maybe thinking of the other one, but I didn't like it as much as I loved this one. It's very lightweight, it's very fun. This is just a fun, billowy outfit. Something that I could wear to the office when and if we open back up. And two, I can wear it running errands. And it makes me just feel super posh and put together. I love it paired with the mules because I love the short cropped height of jumpsuits. For me, I'm somebody who's relatively short. I'm 5'5", and I don't love wearing heels, but this is something that if I wanted to, I could pop on a pair of wedges and it would still look really good. Caitlin had also suggested wearing this jumpsuit with a jean jacket, which I could wear, but I think I like it almost a little bit more with the kimono instead. I'm obsessed with the jumpsuit because it does have pockets. It's not hard to get in and out of. So when you are doing the pee-pee dance, it's not that hard to bust out of the joint. And yeah, I'm really obsessed with this one. Seeing as it is short sleeve, it is something that I could wear on its own, pair it with a pair of wedges and a purse, and it's a perfect night out outfit. And yeah, I'm just really obsessed with the color, obsessed with everything about it. It's a little bit heavier in material, but it is still light enough that it's not going to be swampy and gross feeling. This is definitely something that I do plan on keeping. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize if I'm out of frame right now because this is the first time I think in Stitch Fix unboxing history on Sarah Locker's channel that she's wearing heels. And even though they're a wedge, it's still a heel. And I'm not used to being tall. Is the Kaylee Rochelle knit jumpsuit. I'm in a size extra large and this retails for $58. Immediately off the bat, this is a longer jumpsuit, hence why I have it paired with a pair of tan wedges and a jean jacket, because this jumpsuit is very revealing compared to the other one that we got. If I didn't have the wedges on, this would be like billowing at my feet. It is a really fun and flirty jumpsuit because it is a little bit more revealing than the other one. And I'm sure if I did tighten the straps on the back, it would certainly help combat that possibility of having a slip. But truthfully, the length is just a tad bit too tall for me. I wouldn't feel super comfortable wearing wedges with it every time I wanted to wear it, and then I feel I would be limited in the type of shoe that I could wear with it. Seeing as I already have a jumpsuit that is of a blue variation, and I think I also have one that is patterned, if not similar to this, but very close to it. It's just a jumpsuit that I personally, out of the two, would not pick for myself. I like the other one much better. I feel much more comfortable in it. I don't feel as I'm too revealing in it, and I'm like constantly afraid that I'm going to be like knit slipping for you guys, which is why I have it paired with a jean jacket, which Caitlin suggested as well too. It is something that I could wear on its own because it is the spaghetti strap, but because I'm nervous enough standing here with a jacket on that I'm just going to be like you know, to eat tatas for the boys. I probably wouldn't wear it without some sort of covering. And I even feel if I were too tight in the straps, it wouldn't make that much of a difference. Like I said, the length is just a little bit too long for me. It is a little bit bigger in other areas, like I said, across the chest, across the back. Out of the two, I love the other one 10 times more. And for me, it's just, this one just isn't it. These are the T for T Monica camo leggings. I'm in a size extra large and these retail for $38. This is a moment I realized that Caitlin is on my same wavelength because one of the influencers that I follow on Instagram, I believe it was, I can't remember who, but someone was talking about black camo leggings, and she had found a dupe for a pair of Lululemon leggings that were like $100 and thousands of dollars, and she found a good dupe. And I have to say that I was like, oh, I should order a pair of those because they're really cute. My girl Caitlin came through and she found these awesome camo leggings. I probably wouldn't wear these to work out in just because they are super sheer in the backside, which is why I have it paired with a black zip-up hoodie and just a white tank top and sports bra. This is something that is definitely much more casual. It is something that if I wanted to, I could definitely spruce it up for more of an athleisure type of look, which is kind of what I got going on here. But it's hard to tell because when I look at myself in the mirror, it doesn't look that sheer. But when I look at myself on the viewfinder of the camera, whoa. I'd certainly wear these on a Target run for sure. But these are just super comfortable. I've owned a pair of T for T leggings in the past. I think I actually have owned 2 pairs of them. And they're hands down super comfortable leggings. Like I said, I think the size, being that they're so sheer on the backside, I don't know if it's something that I would size up in or if it even would make a difference because they feel great everywhere else. I do have them rolled up just a little bit, but I think because of the sneakers I have them paired with, they're a little bit more of a higher cut in the ankle, but no need to roll them up if I didn't want to. I own a pair of traditional camo leggings that I wear all the time, and I could definitely see myself wearing these too, and just kind of, like I said, switching up just a basic pair of black leggings. That was everything inside my Stitch Fix this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new videos. I'll be sure to do a full blog post of all the items inside this month's fix, and you can find that over at the website at sarahlock.com. Do HSTKs, and I'll also be sure to list all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. I don't know if it's necessarily something that I'm going to be re-signing up for and doing monthly unboxings, just because the reason why I stopped doing them in the first place is it does get a little costly. I think Stitch Fix is so good if you're looking to build your closet with some fun, unique pieces, or even as just like building it with just style basics. Caitlin just has a really good way of knowing how to fill the gaps in my closet, and this girl has never seen my closet before, and I think she'd probably cringe if she saw my closet because it's wild. It's wild in there. It's the wild, wild west. It's like those pants. Stitch Fix is something that is really good in the sense of building building wardrobes around it, but I think realistically, it does get a little expensive, but if you are in the market of doing so, I highly recommend it. I've never had anything but positive things to say with Stitch Fix, with my stylists that I've had, and not just Caitlin, but any of the stylists that I've ever had. Their customer service is awesome. Everything about the Stitch Fix community has been fantastic. As a matter of fact, it's some of my best viewed videos on my channel, and it is something that I am really, really excited to kind of like re-get those feelings. It's like butterflies. Like when I got my Stitch Fix, I was so excited because I was like, oh, I can't wait to see what she sent me. And also the fact that Caitlin did sneak peek some things for me and told me that I was going to be obsessed with this box. And girl, I'm obsessed with you for sending me this box. She absolutely killed this. It was such a great reintroductory into Stitch Fix. I think it is also too that I do have such a great relationship with my stylist that she knows kind of a little bit more of my personality to say that, okay, I can see that she would wear something like this, or this would look really good on her figure, or X, Y, and Z. It just has a weird way of knowing, and it makes me a little nervous because like she's stalking me, but like she's done such a good job, and I have nothing but high things to say about her, the service, all of it. That said, I'm gonna go ahead and bounce, so thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. UPS truck is here. Do I have a new package coming today? That might be a possibility. I don't actually know. I got that boom boom pow, that rocker my style. Do you like my coffee mug? It has a pineapple on it. I think I'm content. Whoa! I don't know what kind of noise that was, but it sounded like a little alien coming out. It's because I just had a really big breakfast. It's not anything else. I promise. Scott's honor. Honor bright.